Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This is a white exterior and then a beige leather interior. Sunroof. Formatic Mercedes-Benz and GLA 250 badging. Power open and close of the trunk. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. This vehicle has 22,350 for miles and push button ignition. Navigation, radio, shifter, backup camera, climate control. If you'd like to see any more photos, learn anything else about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.